going to show you how to enable your adaptive cruise control. So just touch the RES button, press it down, set the speed, perfect, and now follow the road ahead. If you want to disengage the adaptive cruise control, so just tap your brake once and this will disengage your adaptive cruise control. Side mirror check, perfect. Follow the road ahead. Now look left, right. They're waiting for their light. They're still green. Follow the road ahead. Next traffic lights, go ahead. Check your mirrors, left, right, both, and keep your car in middle. Check your inside mirror, left, right again, slow down, perfect. We check our mirrors because in case if the light is red, we stop in right place.